Meta reported their full year earnings of the year 2023, and the stock will probably rise 16% because their numbers are really great. They announced a dividend, and what else is important in this report we will find out now. So now let's take a look at the recent Facebook earnings and the full year report of 2023. And Facebook or Meta, I don't know how they like to call themselves. On the top is Facebook, on the bottom is Meta. But Meta reported really great numbers. The revenue is up 16% year over year, almost hitting 135 billion. Their net income from operations skyrocketed to whopping 60%, with their net income and earnings per share both jumping 70%. So that's really great numbers, and in the last 3 months their expenses declined 8%. So I don't know if this is temporary, but they get more and more profitable. And don't know if you know or not, but a year ago or something like that, Facebook had a really big crash because the daily active user count declined. And this year the daily active user count increased 8% year over year to 3.1 billion. That's really big. And the ad revenue still climbing a little bit, 2% in the last year. When we look at the free cash flow and the long-term debt, we know that Facebook has like no debt, and with their free cash flow of 11 billion, they can pay their long-term debt of 18 billion in like 2 quarters. The really big news that drove the stock price to rise so much is that they have now a dividend of 50% per share, and I think it's a really great step because they have 4 billion active users monthly, so there is not much growth anymore. So they're playing now the long-term game, focusing on rewarding their shareholders, and that's great. So everything looks really shiny and good, but don't forget that Meta is a really big company. They have 3 billion active users, so they will not grow as much as now every year. They have Instagram, they have Facebook, of course, WhatsApp, and their new platform Threads. And someday it will come that their users again decline, and the market, I don't know how they will react to it. But I would only pay $190 for this company at its current position. I have my stock, I wouldn't sell it either, but I wouldn't buy more. You can disagree. You can also write in the comments what you think about Meta. And I hope you liked this video, and subscribe and like if you found this video insightful.